Welcome students. Today I am going to tell you about the question paper format of the Math First and Math Second for the Standard 9th. Students, there are two papers, one for Math First, one for Math Second, and each paper is for 40 marks. That is, you have to given the written exam of the 80 marks, out of which Math First is for 40 marks, Math Second is for 40 marks, and the remaining 20 marks is for the internal evaluation. Out of these 20 marks, 10 marks for home assignment and 10 marks for practicals or multiple choice questions. Then what about the internal evaluation? You have to give one assignment for each part, that is math first and math second, for 5 marks. One assignment for 5 marks for math first, one assignment for 5 marks for math second. Then in second term, you have to give one mathematics practicals, one practical for each paper, that is math 1 and math 2, each for 10 marks. That is total practical is for 20 marks, and this 20 marks is converted into 10 marks. That is 10 marks for math practical and 10 marks for home assignment. That is, this is the total internal evaluation of the 20 marks. Then what about the question paper format? How many questions are in paper? Then you have to give 5 questions in each paper, math first and math second. Question number 1A is given, choose the correct alternative, that is multiple choice questions. You have to give 4 multiple choice questions. Out of this all 4 multiple choice questions, you have to solve 1 mark for each. That is question number 1A is for 4 marks. Then question number B, 1B, solve the following sub questions. You have to give 4 sub questions and you have to solve all these 4 sub questions. Again 1 mark for each. That is, it is also for 4 marks. That is, total question number 1 is for 4 plus 4, that is 8 marks. Then question number 2, again there are 2 parts, A and B. In question number 2A, you have to give complete the activity, that is 3 activities are given and you have to solve only 2 and 2 mark for each. That is, total question number 2A is for 4 marks. Then question number 2B, solve the following sub questions. You have to give 5 sub questions. Out of this, you have to solve any 4 sub questions, 2 marks for each. That is, question number 2B is for 8 marks and total question 2 is for 4 plus 8, that is 12 marks. Question number 3A, complete the activity. Again we have to give one activity, 2 activities, and you have to solve only 1 activity, 3 marks for each. That is, question number 3A is for 3 marks. And question number 3B, solve the following sub questions, any 2 out of 4. That is, you have to give 4 sub questions and you have to solve only 2 and 3 marks for each. That is, question number 3B is for 6 marks and total marks for question number 3 is 3 plus 6, that is 9. Then question number 4, solve the following sub questions. You have to give 3 sub questions and you have to solve only 2, 4 marks for each. That is, question number 4 is for 8 marks. Question number 5, solve the following sub questions. You have to give 2 sub questions and you have to solve only 1 sub questions, 3 marks for each. That is, question number 5 is for 3 marks. In this way, the question paper you have to solve for 40 marks, but it is given with option as the 60 marks. Then we take the how many chapters are given in the math first and math second. Now math first, that is algebra, you have to give 7 chapters in 9th class. They are, first chapter is set, second chapter is real number, third chapter is polynomial, fourth chapter is ratio and proportion, fifth chapter is linear equations in 2 variables, sixth chapter is financial planning, and seventh chapter is statistics. Now math second, that is geometry. In 9th class, geometry have give 9 chapters. First is basic concept in geometry, Second is parallel lines. Third is triangle. Fourth is construction of triangle. Fifth is quadrilateral. Sixth is circle. Seventh chapter is coordinate geometry. Eighth chapter is trigonometry. And ninth chapter is surface area and volume. That is the overall total 9 chapters are given, out of which only two chapters are new for you, that is coordinate geometry and trigonometry. So students, in this lecture I give you a basic concept, a basic knowledge about the math papers and their topics. If you like this, then like, subscribe and share my channel.